and welcome to Mindfulness. To begin, if you are suffering anxiety or a panic attack right now, simply close your eyes. Let us quickly shift our focus away from the attack sentiments and worry and onto the body. Breathe as much as you need to right now, but focus on the physical, on your body making touch with the floor or chair, and know that you will be okay and that this too will pass. We only need to gently focus our attention on anything other than our thoughts right now, so you may lay your hands in your lap and watch how they rest there. Continue to root our focus here, experiencing the weight of your body on the floor or chair, noticing gravity, and sinking your mind into the physical sensations you sense here. It is crucial to take our attention away from feelings and ideas and into the body, and if your mind wanders, simply bring it back to the body without judgment, impatience, or adding more thoughts. Let's start slowing down from where we were, so we'll breathe in for 4 seconds, pause and hold for 1 second, and then breathe out for 4 seconds. There's no need to be flawless here, simply attempt to follow the guidelines as closely as possible. So breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1. And then exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's take another breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding for 1. And then breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now try to maintain this breathing pattern on your own for a few seconds. There's no need to be flawless. The less effort you put in, the better. Allow your body to breathe on its own in whichever way seems right for you, and when it does, let's start by practicing some mindfulness here. So, for the next several seconds, we'll keep an eye on the breath. We're not going to modify or add anything to the breath. We're just going to use it as an anchor for our awareness while noting the ideas and sensations that come and go in the mind. For the next few seconds, let's keep an open awareness of the breath. If you find that your mind has strayed and is now lost in thought, gently bring it back to the breath. To help focus our attention even more on the breath while we monitor it, we might count our breaths. As a result, until we reach a count of 10, count the inhale as 1 and the exhale as 2 before starting the count again. Finally, simply allow yourself to let go of any endeavor in these last seconds. For the following few seconds, let the mind wander as it pleases, and then open your eyes. You've just finished the exercise. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you again soon. Once more, I appreciate you practicing. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe.